난 할 말들이 너무 많은데 너에게서 딱 한마디면 나는 충분해 내 곁에서 항상 god도는 날 말없이 지켜보기만 하는 넌.
Hello guys, I am back with another video this week, but unfortunately I was supposed to have up a cute Valentine's Day video. Instead, I cannot do that no longer. So basically,
I lost the SD card containing all my video files and like 2 other videos I was in the process of recording.
So this is my backup video for this week and I hope you guys enjoy.
이제 곧 탑승구를
Hello, welcome to Sharon's salon. How can I do your nails today? Do it good. Show us the design that you want. We're doing this design and here's her before fingers.
Hi, Nathan.
Hi Nathan. And you?
Look at them slippers.
What are you wearing? Final product. How do you feel? Can you do some of this for me? Why you move like that? That's how you get out the mouth.
You got a yaw workout. Oh, I actually can't stand up straight.
Bruh. Is it recording? Yes. Okay guys, we're gonna connect all the monkeys here. Because we like unity. So I got all my buddies here. Ew. Can you see this guy? Is he upside down?
Yeah.
No.
올로비전도 많이 먹어. 사로는 한국 가서 많이
Not the pot. I'll take that. You ate my sundubu.
You ate a sundubu, Yunja? You ate his sundubu.
I'm gonna go to your store and I'm gonna order 20 bobas.
Wait,
I
hopefully
wish
it
there was
doesn't
some
spill.
rice.
Boy, you don't have rice?
I do, but I don't want to cook.
Man. So what you're saying is you want me to bring you rice?
You got some?
Who dug a hole in the rice? Rice in a bag. Boy, you for real have me bringing rice to you, right?
That's so ghetto.
I got the crack. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh. It's 6 now. 와.
와이드 들어갔나요? 오, 와이드 들어갔습니다.
I got chicken and prosciutto. What did you get? Moroccan turkey. Yeah, and what did you get?
The clove.
Okay guys, we took a thrift stop this morning and now we're at a nail store because we're just fooling around now. Let's go. Hello? Show some moves. Show some moves, Eunice.
Boy group.
Boy group?
댄스할 때 이렇게 걸어가. 이렇게. 아, 그건 몰라. 어떻게 다 걸어가는데. Your dad's name. Jim. Yeah. What year is it? What year is it? What year? What year is it now? How old? What's after 2022? Oh, 2023.
Oh, good.
무서워.
Let's go!
I need something you prove. I'm gonna share yours in a few all the days I spent wasted on you. Wasted on you. Lamborghini Mercy, that girl she, I'm in that juicy Lambo and that girl she try.
I can braid hair. Bro, I'm braid better than you.
Oh my gosh.
No way you braid better than me, bro. I'll show you.
All right, let's go. Oh, wait. Wait. Did you apply for the Bachelorette? I came to get married. Okay.
How old are you?
How old do I look?
Well done, son.
Like 21. Let's go with that. 아까 됐는데. Bounce.
너무 행복했던 기억들 아프도록 슬픈 순간들 지금만큼은 그 어느 것도 중요치 않아 쉽진 않겠지만 전부 내려놔야 해 조금 쉴 수 있게 영화처럼
Say that again, Christian. Why? Because you're losing? Morning guys, long time no see on the vlog camera. Like I say all the time, today is my first day of spring semester, so I'm heading over to school right now. I woke up at 5 a.m. because I signed myself up for an 8 a.m. class, which is a big mistake of mine, but that's the sacrifice I have to make in order to go to school only twice a week. Here is my makeup today, and it's my fit: jeans, white shirt, necklace, earrings, and I'm wearing my sambas. Alright guys, here is an awkward angle from my car. I'm eating my lunch in my car because I got out of class early, but I want to eat this before I go home because I'm gonna nap right away and then go to work. So here is my buffalo chicken wrap. If you guys didn't know, I'm on a diet right now because I'm trying to lose that Korea and then winter holiday weight. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then head over, take a nap. Yo, 닭도리탕 made by Chef Sharon.
뭔가 제가 다 왜 이러는 걸까 기회는 항상 내게 전부 과장이 돼내 잘 배부르게 해내 맘이
Like, comment, and subscribe.
가운 어깨 뭐가 더 필요한지